This fixed-frame Silver Ticket STR Series 6-piece screen delivers a true home theater feel with its 92-inch diagonal viewing area in the familiar 16 by 9 format. The white projection surface has a moderate gain that balances brightness and color accuracy while maintaining a very wide viewing angle so everyone in the room sees a consistent image. Its substantial aluminum frame, wrapped in light-absorbing velvet, does an excellent job taming stray light and sharpening perceived contrast around the picture. The screen supports modern formats including high definition, ultra-high definition, and active three-dimensional content, so it pairs well with current and future projectors. Assembly is straightforward thanks to the tension rod system, which pulls the material evenly for a smooth, wrinkle-free surface that looks professionally installed. Once mounted using the adjustable brackets, the frame sits securely on the wall and stays perfectly flat, giving movies, sports, and games a polished, cinematic presentation.